got Brian on the first, well, actually the second hookup of the day, but Tony lost his, so. There you go, nice little yellowfin. Look over this way, huh? Nice. Good way to start off the day. Got tuna boiling all around us. 4 guys all hooked up at one time right now. It's beautiful. Well, we took us a while. Over there, Tony just landed one. Got Jeff on one there. Mark just landed his, and I guess right off the back of the Ponga, there's Teresa, and she's on one right now. Everybody's hooked up. Because here's, there's Mark stroking his. Oh, Skippy. All right, go ahead and look this way, huh? Hold it up and look this way. There you go. That's little Skippy. Did you already land one, Teresa? Is this... Okay. Oh, I heard a clicker. I hear a clicker. Skippy? Okay. We got another hookup over there. Jeff's on. There he goes.
Hey, you don't hear.
Over there we got Mark hooked up. Stroke 'em, Jefe!
Gotta work today.
And Teresa's on too, so we got 3 guys all around the kayak hooked up. Or 3 people, I should say. Sorry, Teresa. There's Teresa. There's Mark. And there's Jeff. Yeah. Beautiful. Is that a small female? If it's a small female and you don't want it, you can let it go.
I don't know how to tell the difference.
That's a female. Small female, juvenile female. Go ahead and it's not a big fish, man. You can deal with it. Strip bait.
Galeteo. Okay.
Hold it up.
Kaya.
Teresa's on a Dorado. Oh, yeah, the leader's a little long, huh? Well, you got him to the boat awful fast. All right, Teresa. All right, Teresa's on another Dorado. Teresa, on fire. You need to give yourself more line, Teresa. They can let it go. It's a little baby female.